Dents and deformation are among the most visible structural imperfections. They're depressions or bends in the skin and panels caused by impacts, from bird strikes, ground equipment contact, hail, or tools dropped on the ramp. While a small dent doesn't immediately threaten safety, it changes how loads flow through a structure and must be measured, recorded, and compared with repair limits. Maintenance teams track these on dent and buckle charts to make sure defects stay within safe, approved boundaries over an aircraft's lifetime. Cracks and fractures represent breaks in the material that can grow over time with repeated loading. Fatigue cracks develop where stresses concentrate around holes, joints, or fastener rows, while brittle fractures happen suddenly when stress exceeds material toughness. Detecting small cracks early is crucial because once they grow past a critical size, they can lead to structural failure. Aerospace inspectors use visual inspection and specialized testing to spot these early before they become serious. Fasteners, bolts, rivets, and screws hold the airplane's skeleton together, so when they loosen or get damaged, the structure becomes less reliable. A missed torque, corrosion around a bolt hole, or repeated panel removals can stretch or break fasteners, leading to gaps, unusual loads, and even crack initiation around the holes. Maintenance teams regularly check fastener condition and torque and use specialized tools to ensure each joint feels as tight as it should. Wear and fretting occur where surfaces rub under vibration and tiny movements, especially at joints and contact points. In fretting, micromotion causes abrasive wear, producing debris and tiny pits that weaken the surface and reduce fatigue strength. The repetitive action of fretting is subtle, but over time it can start cracks that grow under load, so inspectors pay special attention to areas like joint interfaces and fastener seats to catch early signs of wear before it affects integrity. Accidental damage happens on the ground. Think tow vehicle bumps, luggage cart hits, maintenance tool drops, and even jet blast in hangars. These incidents cause scratches, gouges, denting, or localized deformation that may seem minor but alter load paths and stress distribution. Aircraft structural repair manuals and inspection programs require careful assessment of these accidental hits to judge whether they're within allowable limits or need repair, because defects from handling frequently show up in routine maintenance. Aircraft operate in harsh environments. Humidity, salt air, UV exposure, heat, cold, sand, and pollutants can combine to cause corrosion, oxidation, surface pitting, or material embrittlement. Operational factors like repeated pressurization cycles add fatigue damage, while rain, hail, and debris impact cause dents and cracks. Over time, these environmental effects accumulate, and inspections must distinguish between normal weathering and damage that needs corrective action, because environmental stressors are often the hidden drivers of structural deterioration.